Hi guys, it's Jen with the Getz team at Keller Williams Realty, and I am here to tell you about the next event that we're doing for all of our Getz team fans out there. And I'm here at the Culinary Loft at Artisan Kitchen and Bath with the owner Kevin Telaak and also with my husband Adam Getz, because our next event is going to be amazing. It is a virtual cooking class. So Adam, why don't you tell everyone about it? And give them the details, and then I'll let you guys know how you can register for it.
Well, so we're here at, like Jen said, we're here at AKB, Artisan Kitchen and Bath in the Culinary Loft, and this is where we normally, pre-COVID, would be doing live cooking demonstrations and live cooking classes for, everybody in the Western New York area. We've changed, we've assimilated, we've changed our model, and now we're able to do a very high quality Zoom virtual cooking class. We're going to be having a wine tasting with you guys. We're going to be cooking pasta from scratch. And you're going to, show up, get a nice bag of pre-measured things, flour, oil, salt, everything that you could possibly need to be able to cook this restaurant quality dish, ready to go. And Kevin moderates with me and asks some questions and, make sure that I'm not missing anything. We like to give everybody a whole bunch of little cooking tips, things that I might do that I don't even remember that I'm doing, that will make your lives easier, not only for the cooking class itself, but in the future when you're cooking at home for your loved ones.
So Kevin designed this amazing cooking space, and why don't you tell us a little bit about, Kevin, why don't you tell us why, what were you thinking when you came up with this concept, and what was the intention?
So our vision for creating the Culinary Loft was to really design from the ground up the best possible hands-on cooking experience that a group of up to 30 could have. So pre-COVID, Adam would come in with a team and they'd be broken up into 5 stations, and everybody would learn how to cook step by step. Your own cooking station with your own stove, high definition cameras so that you could watch what Adam was doing as he's doing it. So we just felt that there was a need for that, and to have a large number of people, corporate team building, things like that. So now that we're in the middle of the pandemic, we've switched that up and we're doing really high quality virtual classes until such a time comes that we can get back together.
In person. So this is a great idea if you have a company that you'd like to do corporate team building with. This space is available for you. You can book Adam and Kevin's space for your virtual team class, and hopefully in the future come here for events, because it's a very cool space that we have here in Western New York, and you're doing yourself a disservice to not take advantage of it. So we are excited to present this virtual cooking class to everyone who is one of our Getz Team's fans. And the way that you register for it is to go on to our Facebook page, and the details are there. The event is scheduled, and you will get a link to register on Eventbrite. So we look forward to sharing this event with you and seeing you on March 30th.